Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to spend some time at the old HQ and we're going to get some jobs done on the old 940. So as you've probably seen, I've got wiring sticking out over a dog trying to jump on me, and I've always wanted to sort out this boost gauge issue. Like, nothing wrong with the gauge itself, but I hate how it's always sat there and the wiring's been exposed. So we've got this. There's a guy on Instagram, I'll link his name on the screen now. He's 3D printing making these. So what I've done is I've just sanded off the 3D printing kind of forming process marks that get left on it to try and make it look a bit more OEM. And basically this is going to replace the air vent that's there, and the boost gauge can sit in a dash and look a bit more stealthy, which is what I like on this car. So this is hopefully going to be fairly simple. I'm just working out how the vents come out, so it looks like they come out in a few sections, because you can get the vents out without pulling the dash out. So I'm going to stick you on time lapse, guys, and we'll get stuck into this. Right, so I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but just down in there, there's two metal clips that retain this housing on. So I've got all that out. None of that's broken. If you push the pressure to one side, anyone's never done this before, I've literally just looked at another video to do this. Push pressure to one side, the main vent comes out, and then you can just pull the individual components out. So still got the flap that's in there now for the main heat control, that's still there. But that's attached to this body. But if you just look in there, you see there's two metal retaining tabs. See that? So you just got to peel them off the plastic basically, like that, and push them down, and then this is starting to move now. So right, let's get it out. Right, so with them little clips, they're just sat down there inside the vent. I should probably actually be able to get one out for you. Oh, they're both just there. So there's that out, and you can see it's not damaged at all. It's just in sections. These two retaining clips, I imagine I'm going to need again. Look at the size of them. Proper Volvo clips. So yeah, so now just to see how this goes, it kind of, you can see where I'm going with this now, can't you? So look at that, fits like a glove. Nice. So yeah, the clips will need to go on the back of it, or you could just secure it in another way just so you can still have access to it, because I don't think that's going to go anywhere. It's nice and tight. But I would probably secure it in just so it doesn't rattle. Sweet. Right, now I need to put all this wire in through there. That's going to be fun. Do you like my new hat? My mum got me this for Christmas. How cool is that? Thanks, Mum. Right, so we're starting to lose the light. All the wiring's out. I haven't got a clue what half of this is doing. Some for LEDs are in here, I think. I'm not worried about them right now. This is for the air fuel ratio gauge, so I'm going to leave that where it is because I might relocate that into the center console. And these wires here, that have just everything snaps now, is for the backlight for this. However, the bulb I've just checked on the back is actually blown. So but now it's here like this, it's a lot easier to actually get to. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack on, get this installed in there, and it's already, you can see, it looks so much cooler. So we get this mounted into the new pod. We'll get the vacuum pipe put on the back of it, and then like what I'll do, because I can just slide it out now, what I'll do is I'll go and get a bulb at a later date. So, oh look, we're like back to old Simpsons classics where we're struggling for light. Right, let's get this done. Do remember to like, share and subscribe, guys. This is just literally a quick job. I need to pick up the camera more. I do a lot of stuff off camera, but hopefully you enjoy it. It's just a little vlog on this car. I'm really impressed with the quality of that part, so let's just get this part in. So like I say, remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment away, and also obviously go check everything in the description below. Also, you can become a member on YouTube now. That massively helps us out, and it's a way of giving a little bit back. And obviously we're all our sponsors and everything, link description below for them, both discount codes as well. So please go check them out and grab yourself a sticker. Why not? Why not grab yourself a sticker? So let's crack on with this still. there it is, installed. Like I say, I've not gone mad securing it in, mainly because it's so well made it actually doesn't need to be too secured in. Also, I'm going to put a bit of a blank up in the heat duct, just obviously stop heat coming through on the back of it. But I'm going to pull it all out again and obviously rewire all of that at a later date, just so I can have the backlight on it. And when well, I'm not going to bother until I've got a bulb basically. So obviously we're here, I'm not at the workshop and all my bulbs are down there. But look at that, it looks like properly OEM. Really happy with that. That's so cool. Right, so let's give it a quick start up. So in theory, we should be golden. So there we go. All right, and then give it a bit of a flip. Buzzing with that. Look how much cooler that looks. So I've got some dash lights to sort out anyway. That's a job to do. So what I'll do is I'll sort them out when I put the bulb back in that. Everything else in the middle and stuff's working. So it's literally just that. So yeah, so cool. I am really happy with that. It looks really, really cool. Buzzing. Absolutely buzzing. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this really quick video. I'm buzzing with that, it's a job off the list. What are you doing, dog? So, time to take the dog out for a walk, and yeah, that's one thing less I've got to do now on the Volvo, other than obviously grab a bulb and wire that in, but yeah, I'm buzzing with that, really, really happy. Thank you very much to the lad that made it, absolute cracking part, like I say, I have included his name, and yeah, buzzing. Thank you very much.